Different cities, different skies, it's only right I see. Eyes closed, mind blown, different home. Every night with me. She a sight to see. Cartier glasses on tight, she kinda bright and sweet. Nightlight and close your eyes with me. Yeah, shit get deep, like feces and creep. Passport heavy, yeah, the vision stay clean. I move how I feel, not just when the light is green. I ain't lost, I actually made it on time.
What's up, everybody? So I'm wrapping up my Orlando trip, my Orlando visit. As you know, throughout the videos, you see that I love my city, man. Nobody can tell me different that this is the best city in Florida to be in. Orlando. You got the party scene, you got the kid-friendly scene, you got the hood scene, you got the kicking it, you got the vibing scene, like especially at night. But here go my honest review for y'all for the channel. You know what I'm saying? I can't be biased even though this is my city, so I gotta let y'all know I gotta bring it the facts straight to y'all. Especially if you visiting for the first time or you thinking about coming down to Orlando, Central Florida. First off, Orlando is fun, and I say that for someone who's just 2 hours away, grew up 2 hours away in Tampa, Florida. Man, this was our vacation spot. We used to come up here every summer just to, just to kick it. Like, our parents would take us down a fun spot, and that used to be our spot. I didn't get that in none of the vlog, but I got the main stuff. So, but our spot used to be fun spot. I used to see the crocodiles in there, and you got the little roller coasters. Fun spot is definitely a spot y'all should check out. Yes, the theme parks are the main characters of the city. You got Disney World, you got Universal Studios, you got the Orlando Resorts, you got SeaWorld Orlando. They absolutely live up to the hype. I've been there throughout my growing up, I've been throughout there. I haven't been on this trip, but throughout my years of living, I've been to a couple of those places. But here's my biggest tip. Do not try to do everything. Even if you have a week, you stand out here for a week, it's not enough time to go do and see and try everything. Do not try to plan to do everything. Pick one major park a day. Build your whole day around that one place or theme park. Your mood will thank me later. You do not want to be overstimulated in this big city. You do not want to be stressed. You want to enjoy your time. What I personally love about Orlando, it lets you choose your pace. You don't have to rush, man. If you're here for 3 days, you don't have to rush. You're not gonna see everything. One day you're on the roller coaster screaming your head off, and another minute you could be walking Disney Springs or City Walk, walking those attractions, just walking around those. It's like theme parks, but not really. It's just like a place to walk around and vibe, like, and see other people walk around. Don't forget, man, it's nothing but food. Anything you could think of is food everywhere, from International Drive all the way, like I said, Universal City Walk. You go everywhere you turn, it's gonna be some food. Orlando is spread out. This is not a walk everywhere city. Ubers, rental cars, figure something out. It's not a walk everywhere city. If you want to break from the theme park and you want to get immersed in the city, I recommend going to Lake Eola. It's just a big pond, and you're going to see a lot of ducks and geese and stuff all around there. And actually, you're not going to see no geese. You're going to see a boat geese that you could get on and ride for like $6, and it's going to take you across the pond. But it's a walking trail centered around, like, it loops around a big pool. You could call it a pond or whatever. It's fish in there and whatever you could call it. It's downtown, so you're gonna see the big city buildings and things like that. You're gonna see the interstates go across your head. It's a great place to be. Now, Florida, yeah, it's hot, but it's cold, man. It's still the beginning of the year. It's hot, but it's cold. It's gonna rain. It's gonna be sun. It's gonna be no clouds. It's gonna be clouds. You just pack for everything. Just be ready, because the weather is so bipolar. So good luck with that. Good luck with the random rain showers. I promise you, they just be so random. Good luck with that. This your first time coming to Orlando, Florida, you gonna enjoy it, man. You gonna love it, man. You ain't gonna want to leave. You gonna want to move here. I promise you. That's the feeling this city gives. It's the best city on earth. I promise you. Not on earth, in the United States. I'm gonna say that because I ain't. We got Paris coming up. We plan on going to Thailand and Bali, and I know those places is better than anything in the United States, but that's another story. My other tip is just plan smart, man. Like I said earlier, you're not gonna get to do everything. Just plan smart, plan time to relax and things like that. Don't try to do everything in one day. That's the biggest thing. Pace yourself. Let Orlando do what it do. Let it come to you. You know what I'm talking about? All right, y'all, this is the end of my review. Good luck. Have fun. This is the greatest city to be in, I promise you. the greatest city in Florida, at least. Like, comment, subscribe. We out.